Hey everybody, welcome to Spicey's Garden. Today we're gonna harvest some potatoes. But before we get started, why don't you go and hit that like button for me? And if you're new to my channel, be sure to hit subscribe. And make sure you hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I drop a new gardening video. Okay, I'm sorry, I can't take any more. I was gonna try to wait till this weekend, but I just can't do it. I'm sorry, curiosity is about to kill this cat. So let me move all this stuff out the way. And yeah, let's dump the dirt in there. I'm sorry, disrespectful. Let's dump the soil in there. Stay tuned. So I just remembered that I plan on planting something in this pool anyway. So might as well get that fresh now. So I can just use the dirt, the soil from the potatoes for that. This is a 1-inch bit. And this little waxy stuff, this is from when I put the holes in the pots, the tomato pots that I put in the ground. This one little piece will not come off, and I've struggled with it, and I'm tired of working with it. So moving forward. Well, we're just gonna do 2. I didn't know this 1 inch. I didn't expect 1 inch to be that big. So I'll go get the other bit and make smaller holes from that point on. Okay, I decided to go another route only because I'm not sure if I'm ready to do this pool yet. I have another bed over there that actually takes precedence over this pool, so I might need to use this soil for that bed. So I'm just gonna put it on this tarp for now. Some awesome roots right here. There's the tag. I accidentally buried it when I was building the dirt up. It says red and blue. So I planted red starter potatoes and blue starter potatoes on March the 9th. That's when the seeds were actually sown. Let's start here. So far nothing, y'all. So far nothing. Here's the tuber. Look at these little bitty potatoes. It's all good. It's all good. Because we just gonna keep on trying until we get it right. It's not that serious. Look at all these. I picked them too soon. See that? You see that? I picked them too soon. That simple. That's why these are so tiny. Because I picked them too soon. See? I don't learn from my successes. You can't. I learn from my mistakes. But I bet you I'm about to replant this. I bet you I am. Right now. Ooh, there's some awesome soil. Looks like I planted some white potatoes in here too. See what I'm saying? Too soon. But I was anxious. I couldn't help myself. But I'm not tripping. I have 3 more containers of potatoes. Oops, don't cover them up. See that? Oh my goodness, the white potatoes did way better. Another tuber. So this was the original seed potato. So as you can, I couldn't remember. That's why I'm glad this came up like this. I couldn't remember if this is one of the ones where I cut the potatoes or just put them in whole. So obviously I put these in whole. Oh, look at the cute little blue potato. We could have been eating if I'd have been patient enough to let this do the 2 weeks it was supposed to do. I'm sorry, I didn't have patience. Oh, now that she's pretty. She's not big, but she sure is pretty. That's a blue potato. Gorgeous. I really thought I was going to feel like a failure if this didn't work out awesomely. But I really don't. I really don't. I do not feel any type of negative way. There's a white potato. Oh, because I bought seed potatoes that were red, white, and blue. I thought I just planted the red and the blue because that's what I wrote on that tag, but apparently I was wrong. I must have planted all 3. Yeah, we picked them too early, y'all. Too early, y'all. Here's another tuber. I'm sorry, the actual seed potato. Oh. Saving as much of the soil as possible. I'm sure see all these little bitty tiny potatoes? They're gonna sprout up somewhere. Wherever I use this dirt, I'm gonna look up, there's gonna be potatoes. Yeah, I did this wrong. It's all good. There's another seed. Compost. To the compost, baby, to the compost. We'll probably have volunteer potatoes in the compost too. Since I just did that. Alright, here's the last little chunk, y'all. The last little chunk. Alright, that's all we got. So, the 3 potatoes, 3 seed potatoes, this is all I got. What am I learning from this? Cut the potatoes. Because the time when I cut them, my potatoes were bigger than that. Second thing I learned, find some patience. Because this could have been so much more. Especially with all of this going on. Every single one of these had the potential to be another potato. But I was too impatient. So this is all we got. Barely enough for dinner tonight. But it's all good. I ain't tripping. So I'm gonna go on and use this soil now. Oh, look at her. Look at the pretty purple and yellow flower. These are those TPS potatoes, y'all. True potato seeds. These weren't grown from seed potatoes. These were grown from actual seeds. Clancy potato seeds. They're supposed to be a cream potato. This sounds delectable to me. I can't wait. Basically sounds like a potato I don't have to peel, and that's my favorite kind of potato. Look at that again. Look at the pretty purple and yellow flower. She's flowering. We gonna have some Clancy potatoes, y'all. This is the unfinished landscape here in the front yard. But I took on this content marketing gig for a landscape company, a big landscape company. And so they have me doing all this research, which made me second guess my original plan for the border. So just stay tuned, because I'm still researching stuff for his clients and his website and his blog, and therefore I will come up with the perfect plan soon. But I did want to show you these plant seeds. I planted these in a milk crate. This is weed cloth, because that's pretty much all it's good for. See the weeds going up through the weed cloth? That's why I don't use this crap. But I need the double protection because I'm really trying to kill this area. See, look, there's weed cloth on top of cardboard over there. All this stuff is good for is lining crates so you can grow in them. So anyway, these are some garlics that don't seem to like this front yard at all, and I don't blame them. But by the time I finished putting the soil in it and watering it a couple of times, it was kind of heavy to be dragging to the backyard. So guess I'll deal with that problem during harvest time. She was actually planted before the one in the back, and she's not going to seed yet, but I think that has to do with the sunshine. This area does not get as much sun as the back does. And this box, we'll talk about that in another video. Need some mulch, but I'm waiting until I decide what to do with the pathways. Stay tuned, coming soon, coming soon. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that like button, comment, share, and subscribe. Spicey out.